Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be of this look right here. I've never really been into using a lot of color for my eye makeup, but I just got my hands on the Through My Eyes palette by ColourPop and iluvsarahii, and this emerald dream color here was just too gorgeous to not use. And I saw her in a picture that she posted on Instagram, and she was using this color, and I thought it was so gorgeous. I thought I would try a look with it. Obviously, I'm not big on using too much color, so I thought I would just try it on the lower lash line. So if you guys are interested on seeing how I got this look, then just keep watching. First, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with a little bit of foundation. Here, I'm using the Maybelline Hydrate and Smooth in the color Medium Buff. Next, I'm going to take the color Sandalwood, and I'm going to apply that into the hollows of my eyes as a transition color. If you'd like, you can pull it up towards your eyebrows a little bit so that color really peeps through. Next, I'm going to take the color Nostalgia with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply that starting from the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm just going to apply that onto my entire eyelid. Next, I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to apply that to where I initially applied Sandalwood. I'm just going to use that to warm up my eyelids just a little bit and to add a little more dimension. Now for the fun stuff. You guys have no idea how hard it is for me to do eyeliner these days because it's not something I do very often, so I feel like when I don't do it, I kind of lose my touch almost. Anyways, here I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Gel Lacquer Liner. And I feel like for me, this is the easiest product for me to do eyeliner with. And it also just is very long wearing. Next, I'm going to take the shade Muse, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid. I know that I should have started with this from the get-go, but after I finished my eyeliner, I realized that I was missing a little something something, and I'm so glad I added this last minute because it is such a gorgeous color. Moving on to my face, I'm going to take some of my MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm going to apply it to the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take my Maybelline FitMe Hydrate and Smooth Foundation in the color 225. And I'm going to mix those two together, and I'm going to apply it all over my face. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and pretty much dab it so that everything is nice and well blended and smooth. Then for concealer, I'm going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC20, and I'm going to apply that to the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and under my eyes. And I'm also going to blend that with my beauty blender. Next, for contour, I'm going to use my Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick, and I'm going to apply that under my cheekbones so I can get that nice and cut, chiseled look. And I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. After I'm done contouring, I'm going to take some setting powder. Guys, what's going on? Some setting powder and apply it to underneath my eyes and my forehead and the bridge of my nose and my chin. Then I'm going to brush it all off with a nice fluffy brush. Yeah, let's just brush that away. Guys, I know I'm jumping back and forth a little bit, but I'm gonna go back to contouring. This time I'm doing my nose, as you can see, and I'm just trying to give my nose the best version of itself that I possibly could give it. And as you can see, I'm just contouring the crap out of it to make it look
you know, more snatched. I mean, who doesn't want a more snatched nose? Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to take the color Golden Bronze and apply that to where I initially applied my cheek contour. And it adds a little bit of shimmer, which I absolutely love. Moving on to one of my favorite parts of doing makeup, highlighting. I'm going to apply that to the upper parts of my cheek and my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm also going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone and of course to the inner corners of my eyes to really brighten that up and make my eyes pop. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for, I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus spray and I'm going to spray that all over my small pencil brush. And I'm going to take the color Emerald Dream and I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. I realize that the more I pack on, the more vibrant the color becomes, so it's very buildable. And I'm also going to apply that to my waterline, just because I found that when I had it only on my lower lash line, it just didn't give me the impactful look that I was looking for.
Also, I didn't get a chance to film the lip portion of my video, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I actually lined my lips with the iluvsarahii and ColourPop Lippie pencil in the color 951, and I actually got this last year, and I paired it with the iluvsarahii and ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the color Sueno de Coco, and I absolutely love this. But then I topped it off with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Tiramisu. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.